How to know if you've been hacked. This tutorial teaches you how to recognize signs that your computer or account has been hacked, as well as how to take proactive steps to prevent further hacking. Keep in mind that the bulk of modern hacking involves either stealing computer or account information, or installing malware on your computer. 1. Keep an eye out for odd activity. The following may be a sign that your computer was hacked, even if the source of a problem with a computer might range from temperature to a corrupted hard drive. 2. Search for additional common malware. Other potential consequences of hacking include the following. Toolbars for your browser that you didn't add show up. The browsers or system settings have been modified. The battery on your laptop depletes faster than it should. 3. Scan your Wi-Fi network for intruders. A built-in feature of both Windows and Mac computers allows you to check if your Wi-Fi network is hosting additional users. Windows. Open Start and type View Network Devices and Computers. Click View Network Devices and Computers. Keep an eye out for odd objects. Your Wi-Fi router is the router item. Mac. Click the desktop or open the Finder. Click Go, then Network. Then look for odd things. 4. Take the viruses out. There are a few things you may do if you find out that your computer or smartphone has been hacked in order to stop the hacking from continuing and lessen the effects of the hacking itself. Abandon online banking, shopping, and other activities. Upgrade your antivirus program. Restart your computer in safe mode. Mobile users can skip this step. Uninstall any recent software installations. Start your computer up again. Use your antivirus program to scan your machine. You might want to scan your machine with many antivirus apps. You can reset your PC if you're still unsure. 5. Eliminate potential hacking. The following steps can be taken to prevent future data from being accessed by a hacker. Set up antivirus programs. Microsoft Defender, an antivirus program, is included with Windows 10. Keep your computer updated. Don't delay or turn off Windows Update, and keep your apps up to date. Pay close attention to safety alerts. They exist for a purpose. Do not disregard them. Avoid opening any strange attachments or clicking links in emails. Ask the person who sent the email if they were the ones who sent it to you before typing the link into your browser. Software should only be downloaded from the company website. For instance, only Adobe.com should be used to download Adobe Reader. Before utilizing USB drives, scan them. The majority of antivirus programs perform this automatically. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.